In this video demonstration at 9:36, daylight saving time is off, January of 2025. Today's date, June. We are testing out to see what the camera will do, if it will turn on if we incorrectly set our time, and it does. It is 9:36 to go. And we'll show you what we set up our timer shooting date and time of the actual camera. In a number of seconds, we're going to get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. There we go. It works. So let's interrupt it. Let's swipe down, go to the cog gear, go all the way down to the date and time. We're set up here January 4th, 2025. Let's bring this back to June and say thank you very much that the camera is now fixed. In order to turn it off, simply click it and turn off.